What is going up, guys? This is the Flamespot here, and we are back with another video, and this is just going to be another LEGO unboxing video. However, this one's going to be a little bit different than unboxing. It's going to be more like reboxing, as in making a soup, because my mom has actually, her birthday has been pretty recent, so we have her cake right here, and Mother's Day, by the time this video is out, Mother's Day would have already passed, so we have our gallant ninja Jedi riding a skeleton horse going off to the distance to represent her hero or something like that. And so, but now I feel like there's just something that's not there, and I feel like that's a good old Lego soup. So we have our bucket here, and we have all of the Legos that I got from the last time I went to a Lego store. So we're going to start off with some brown 2x2s. We got 31 of these. Oh, yes. This is gonna be like the foundation of our soup, you know. It's gonna settle in there right now. We gotta add some fires behind it. You know what? Let us actually add some fire. We got some fire pieces right here. I did not get these from the store, but you know, we gotta start cooking this, you know, and getting it cooking. Here's some wood right here. We got some other wood pieces. There we go. We got our nice little fire for our for our soup to cook in. So next we have some carrots, because what's a good soup without some carrots? We got 12 of these carrots. We're not gonna dice them up or anything. It's just full-on carrots. 12 of them. And it's just a strange family recipe is that since we're Italian, you put whole loaves of bread in there. So we're gonna put 4 whole loaves of bread in our soup, along with 9 of these brown rod things. I think they're like some sort of spice, like capris. I don't know spices that much. Next we have some average brown chairs. Gotta get that woody texture to it, along with some sand 2x1s. Let's see, those are these things over here. We gotta get some sand, because no one hates sand. No one. I'm sure Anakin's not triggered by that. No, not at all. We have some 1x4 flats that are light gray. 25 of these things. Get that crunchiness. It's like an extra rock. Oops, I forgot one, or else everything would have went wrong. Some flat light grays. Let's see, 2x1s. There are a lot of these ones. These are like 25 of these or so. Let's see. Oh, never mind. These are actually not them. Those are 57 of those. Yeah, got quite a lot of those. The other flat light gray things, since there's a lot of these 1x4s flats, I'm gonna add those there. They're like our rock bread. I guess you can call it hardtack, maybe. So there is 23 of those ones. Now we have sand 1x4s that are. We actually only have one of these. It's just a stray 1x4. You know, that's our cinnamon right there. We're gonna add a bit of cinnamon. We have our light grays 1x1s with a gator. I call them gator clips on the side. It's like an actual gator. We have some you know, full-on gator tail. Put it in that mix. No, just kidding. Then we also have our ice cream. Who doesn't love some nice ice cream? We got 11 ice creams in our mix. This is quite a lot. We're gonna have to stir it up a bit. Let me get my little stirry. Ooh, it smells great already. It smells sublime. Now, the next thing we have 1x3 flats. Got 23 of these sand 1x3s. Oop, looks like our soup is tipping a bit, and I forgot one of them. Alright, now we have our slopey 1x1 sloped sand. Yeah, put in all of that paprika, even though paprika I don't think is yellow. Who knows? I'm sure none of you guys know. Now we have our our black horns, straight off of the killer rabbits themselves from our OPRPG game. They all have horns, 100%. Don't look back at the concept art or else you might be a little disappointed, but they do have horns now. Along with our black soap 1x1s. We have 25 of these. So that's our pepper. Although I don't like pepper, I'm sure my mom loves pepper in all of her food. We have our 1x1s with stud on side, sand, and as finally our 1x1s flat with gator clip sand color. And that looks really good right there, alright? So we gotta stir it up again. Here's my little stirry stick. Oh no, things are flying out, Alright. And then we're gonna let it simmer for a little bit, just like that, for a few minutes, and then we'll put it down on our plate, okay? I'll get back with you whenever it's done cooking. Alright, so we have our nice little plate full of base plates that also have been achieved and received at the place. It looks like our soup is done cooking. So let's just pour it in. It might overflow a bit, but that's fine. You know, it's fine. There we go. Boom. That looks amazingly beautiful. I just love it so much. You know, so the camera, the steam is like rising up to the camera, so it's not focusing right now because of the steam. Oh man, oh there we go. It's finally cleared up. Look at this beautiful meal fit for a king. We got our Lego soup with all its added flavors, and our cake, and our hero. Well, this is gonna wrap up the video, guys. This is the Flame Spot, signing out.